conventional hair dyes causing reactions or searching for a hair dye that is safe and natural? Then start using the Henna Guy's Henna Hair Dye. Vegan, cruelty-free, free from harsh chemicals.
My hair has never grown so fast.
No more chemicals, the secret to my healthy hair.
Love how the Henna Guy's Henna brush shines through my hair.
The only hair dye that not only colors your hair, but helps strengthen, grow, give you shine, soften, repair damaged hair, and nourish your hair like never before. All the benefits in one hair dye. The Henna Guy's Henna Hair Dye. The only hair dye Mother Nature created for us. Just add coffee and mix. That's simple. Take control of your hair health and click the link to order yours today. Your hair will love you for it.